Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change reply to email in Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is come on over to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to click onto campaigns on the left hand side. Then from here, we can go ahead and open up the email campaign you want to edit or create a new campaign. For this, I'm going to go ahead and click on create new campaign. Now I'm going to add an internal email name, click on create email. Now if you want to go ahead and design your own email, you can. I'm just going to go ahead and click out of that. Now from here, we want to make sure to check on the from here. So click onto from, this is where we can go ahead and change our email. So we can go ahead and where it says email address, go ahead and click on the drop down to change your email address to another one. And likewise, if you are inside your campaigns, now to view that, we can come over here to the right, click onto edit. Then from here where it says from, we want to go ahead and click on the drop down menu and then also click on that drop down menu to change your reply to email.